Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Nayla a youth generation from Bowen Island, one of the small pieces of the tens of thousands islands in this country, who has the dreams of being directly involved in building the one-by-one steps to reach the peak of the glory of golden Indonesia. Happy to share with you the best young people from all over this country. I have an interesting quote that you must have heard. Listen carefully. Indonesia is the most wonderful land in the universe. The land where we were born. The nation where we grew up. So many colors that live together in peace. With a million timeless treasures. With an abundance of natural wealth. Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland. Can you imagine the song? Yes. The quote is a prologue from the Wonderland song by a young man named Alfie Rev, which is very spectacular. This quote shows how rich our beloved country is. Rich in natural resources. And of course, rich in cultural diversity. An extraordinary potential that we can use as the root to form the superpower of this country, the power that no other country has. My brothers and sisters, this year, 2024, is an extraordinary year for this country. A year where the nation's best young people shows that diversity is a source of strength and pride. With her performance and traditional clothes, a young woman named Tata has won the Miss Supernatural event. Even though they come from different regions, our footballers have made a miracle in the Asian Cup. Even more amazing is that young people have won the political contestation who will become the leaders of this country. This shows that Alfie Rev is right. That Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is also a wonderland. So many colors, differences, and diversity are not obstacles, but instead is a source of strength to make Indonesia stronger and more advanced, especially if young people like us becomes the actors. My brothers and sisters, why should young people like us take a role in building the unity and integrity of this country? Young people are usually known as the responsibility of the successors of development. Young people are the agent of change, agent of development, agent of modernization. Young people are usually known as innovators and creative, have fresh and visionary views, and have thoughts that are not bound by old norms. Their innovation and creativity can produce new solutions to the problems faced by Indonesian nation. And we can increase global competitiveness. As a young person, I am very optimistic that this nation will soon be victorious. My brothers and sisters, at the 79th Independence Day, some time ago, at the capital city of Nusantara, we could see how proud the leaders of these countries were wearing their respective traditional costume. Under the red and white flag and the mighty Garuda silhouette, they seem to want to show that different religions, tribes, languages, and cultures are the source of strength for our beloved nation. On October 28, 1928, the Oath Youth showed that the strength of the light of the unity of Indonesia can illuminate the entire Indonesian nation. Today, let us show a miracle that the strength of the light of the unity of Indonesia can illuminate the entire world. That's all from me. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.